Pilot of International Agribusiness Group with the global weather update for Tuesday, April 26th. Looking at the big board, there are no changes this morning as the areas in focus remain the dry southern plains and the wet Midwest and Mississippi Delta regions. In the southern plains, there is a chance of rain today over the region, but it is unlikely to significantly alleviate the ongoing drought. A storm system will touch off some scattered showers and storms beginning this evening and continuing through Wednesday. Models continue to back off on rain totals over the driest regions, but it looks as though it will likely yield around 1/4 of an inch for southwestern Kansas and western Oklahoma, but little to nothing for the Texas Panhandle. Otherwise, there are no meaningful rain chances for the southern plains through the middle of next week, so the DEFCON level remains at 4. In the Delta region, a very heavy storm complex moved through last night, with totals generally 2 to 3 inches in Arkansas and western Tennessee. Scattered storms are continuing this morning. Another storm complex will develop later today and bring a fresh 2 to 4 inches to eastern Arkansas and the vicinity through Wednesday afternoon. While there will be 3 days of fair, dry weather before another line of thunderstorms on Sunday, short-term threats of field flooding keep the DEFCON at 3 for today. For the Midwest, yesterday's storms dropped another 1/2 to 2 inches of rain in the Ohio River Valley. Rains are pushing through Iowa and Wisconsin this morning, with the next slug of rainfall set to pull into eastern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio tomorrow and Thursday morning. This storm will bring another 1 to 2 inches for these states, with 3 or more possible locally. However, 3 days of good planting weather are expected before the next storm on Sunday morning. Though the 6Z GFS is wetter than the 0Z on Monday, looking at ensembles, this run is an outlier, and I expect additional dry weather early next week into the midweek. DEFCON level remains at 3. For the northern plains, there are no significant changes to report. Moderate rain continues this morning over southern Minnesota, which will be followed by 3 days of warm and dry weather. Next rain threat pushes into the Dakotas on Friday and Saturday, with around a 1/2 inch of rain. This feature will keep soil moisture abnormally high and be followed by colder than normal temperatures. DEFCON remains at 2. For Western Europe, modeling shows an increasing chance of moderate rainfall on order of a 1/2 inch for northern France and Germany this Thursday and Friday. DEFCON level remains at 2 as that approaches. Now you're in the loop for April 26th. Keep watching the skies.